All right, let's talk about polyurethane formulation design. Specifically, how to master those all-important structure-property relationships so you can really dial in your performance and get the exact results you're looking for.
So, let me ask you something, and be honest. Are your formulations, well, underperforming? Do you ever feel like you're just one tweak away from a breakthrough, but you just can't seem to nail that perfect performance?
If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. But here's the thing. Relying on guesswork, that whole trial and error approach, it's not just frustrating, it's costing you. Big time.
And I'm talking about real, hidden costs. You've got wasted R&D resources, time, money, materials, just going down the drain. Then there are the project delays that throw everything off schedule. And maybe the worst part, those huge, missed opportunities for real innovation. All of this leads to inconsistent product performance, which, as you know, can really hurt your reputation. It's a tough cycle to be stuck in.
But what if I told you there's a way to break that cycle for good? The solution is right there, inside your polymers. It's all about unlocking their true potential and making a fundamental shift in how you approach your work.
And this is the key. It all comes down to understanding structure-property relationships. This is the science, the fundamental principle that shows you exactly how your choice of molecular building blocks, your isocyanates, your polyols, directly controls the final physical properties of your polymer. It's like having the blueprint before you even start building.
And that's the game changer right there. You get to move from just guessing and hoping for the best to actually designing with molecular precision. Just imagine having that kind of control, knowing what the outcome will be before you even start.
Okay, so this training is all about giving you that power. Let's dive into exactly what you're going to be able to do once you've mastered molecular design.
We've laid out a clear path for you. First, you're going to truly understand molecular design, deep down. Then you'll learn how to customize physical properties to tailor polyurethanes for literally any application you can think of. From there, we'll dive into the details, like isocyanate symmetry, to give you insights into reactivity and bonding. And finally, you'll master how to analyze all the key factors, monomers, molecular weight, the works. This is your step-by-step guide to becoming a true formulation master.
Hey, you don't just have to take my word for it. An independent technical review team, we're talking senior polymer formulators, they've confirmed that this training agenda is right in line with the best R&D practices in the industry. What that means for you is that you can enroll with total confidence, knowing you're getting the skills you need to innovate in the real world and hit the ground running.
This is way more than just a class. When you join, you're stepping into a huge community of professionals, all focused on turning theory into actual market-leading innovation.
Just look at these numbers. Over 100,000 professionals from more than 5,000 companies trust this platform. That's a massive vote of confidence, and it really speaks to the quality and the impact of the training you're about to get.
So who is this really for? Well, if you're an R&D chemist, a formulator, a new product developer, or if you're a manager in a technical lab or product role, this training was built from the ground up to solve your biggest challenges. It's an absolute must-have.
All right, let's talk about the investment in your career. We've worked hard to make this an absolutely unbeatable value on your path to becoming a master formulator.
The entire investment for this expert training, for everything I'm about to show you, is just $199.
And for that, you get the whole package. We're talking a live session with our expert team, an interactive Q&A where you can get your specific questions answered, all the training materials as PDFs, and 6 months of on-demand access so you can learn at your own pace. Plus, you get an official certificate and even on-demand expert consultations. Seriously, this investment will pay for itself with your very next successful project.
So the real question is, are you ready? Are you ready to stop guessing and start designing with confidence? Ready to become the go-to polyurethane expert on your team?
Because when you're done, you'll be able to design polymers with predictable precision. You'll optimize performance for literally any application, and you'll innovate faster and more effectively than ever before. This is how you get your competitive edge.
Look, the chance to completely transform your work and fast-track your career is right in front of you. Don't let another great idea get stuck in development. Click the link to enroll now, and let's get you on the path to mastering polyurethane formulation today.